Dear student, today my class is insert. Dear student, today my class is insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Before going to this class, please subscribe King Classroom. My channel URL is www.youtube.com/@King Classroom. Watch the videos, like the videos, share the videos, and motivate to subscribe them also. And చాలా వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి, చూడండి రా బాబు, నేర్చుకోండి, సబ్జెక్ట్ నేర్చుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇంకా మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా చూపించండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయించండి, లైక్లు కూడా చేయించండి. ఓకే, now coming to the class, insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Before going to this, first we have to open Excel. In search word EXCL Excel, that is EXCL Excel, like this. This is 2019 Excel. This is 2019 Excel. Take a blank sheet and zoom this way, zoom this up to 280%. Zoom this 280. Now create a table first. Name, English, the name, English, Telugu, Hindi, Maths. For creating marks, first we have to enter marks, then creating the pivot table, pivot chart in insert tab. Okay, Maths, Science, Social. Name Ramesh. English 676, Telugu 82, Hindi 67, Maths 89, Science 79, Social 82. Then color 84, 97, 89, 97, 85, 92. Kranti 87, 26, 82, and 91, and 92, something. Then Suresh 82, 83, 79, 78, and 89, and 67, 86. These are the totals. First we have to go for insert. Windows Zoom. Go for insert, then pivot table, one table, yes, this one, they are selected automatically. Okay, remove this. Like this pivot table will happen. First here left side, take the name and sum of English, sum of Telugu, sum of Hindi, sum of Maths, sum of Science, sum of Social. So more tables you want to make it. this also. They will close this in the way pivot table pivot chart is created. Okay, every subject has the total of the subject. Okay, now the maximum total is written there. Max is the maximum total. This is pivot table. Okay, then insert menu, go to pictures. Then insert one sheet and use the size. Understood the pivot table? Pictures, in the pictures, use the divide, use the picture, insert picture. This is the picture like that, and you know that this one. This is the picture insertion. These are the options. You can select anyone to show them. Shapes. In the shape, I am taking this shape, hollow shape, and I am inserting here. The shape. Drag this. This is the shape. If you want the color insertion, color, and add the text here. Right click, add today. If you want to zoom it, zoom with this one, and remove this one. So insert picture is completed. Shapes, icons. If you want icons, in 2019 it is available. Icon. This is the frog. This is the crocodile. Insert the icon. Increase it. Graphics here. Outline. Select this outline. And fill this color with red color, like this it is. Okay. Insert 3D model. This is also special effect in the 2019 3D models. Select this one, avatars. Insert this avatar, insert. Avatar can be inserted. If you want to rotate this avatar, you can rotate it. The way avatar is inserted. Then smart art. You know smart art very well. This is the hierarchy of the table. Insert the hierarchy and add the text. Okay, like this. My name is BS. Family tree or like that. Anything you can. Grandfather. Father. Like that. Child one like that. This is the hierarchy. That is what we call it as insert smart art. Screenshot. Take a screenshot. Screen capturing. If you want to capture some area, select the area to capture. Then there I am like this is screen capture. I explain very important topics only. This is screen capture. Drag this and wherever you want, put it. In the insert menu, screenshot is also over. Now add ones is different. There is no need of add ones. Adding extras. My add ones like this. These are the add ones. From store, Bing Maps. Like this. These are the charts. These are the charts. What chart? This 2 to 3 chart is there. But before that, we have to select the table. Yeah, I am in the this one. We need to get this chart with this table data. We can insert the sheet we have here, the bars. This is the chart. Here English, Telugu, Maths, Hindi, like that. It shows the chart in Pallavi. When you go for these marks, Kranti, English values, it shows like that. Chart is over. Charts, 3D maps also getting maps, lines. This is also okay. Insert and this is link, hyperlink. You can create it. Header and footer is important. Now coming to the header footer section. When you add a picture or something here, current time or page numbers like that, so many is there. Picture. I am adding here picture from file and this one logo. Insert here. Then go to this. The picture will be added. Okay. Header and footer. Putting on heading header side, footer side. Footer means down, header means upper. This is insert. And header and footer. Word art, already you know that word art very well. G Gautam Model School. Gautam Model School. Now, ODAT models. These are the ODAT models. Shape effects. Shadow 3D models like this. These are shape effects. You know very well. Insert ODAT signature line and signature Microsoft Service object. Object, if you want to add one object, any object, Microsoft Job Shuttle inserted. Like this, it will insert. This object, this is equations. I already told you in Microsoft Word, so many equations is there. These are the equations. Okay. Now the insert insert menu is completed for Microsoft Excel. Insert tab in Microsoft Excel. Thank you, students. Please subscribe it, share it, like it, and watch and learn. చూడండి, చాలా క్లాసులు ఉన్నాయి, నేర్చుకోండి, ఇష్టపడండి అంటే లైక్ చేయండి, పంపించండి, ఎవరికైనా అంటే షేర్ చేయండి, అన్నీ చేయండి, నేర్చుకోండి బాగా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.